going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. Let's get started. You'll start by clicking here on the menu, these three little bars. If your profile picture shows up, you can click on it. After clicking, you'll come to this page. On this page, you'll click here on this option, Settings and Privacy. Click it. Now, you're going to click on Settings and you'll be redirected. You'll click on this option, See More in Account Center. Click it. After clicking, you'll come to this page. On this page, you'll click on the settings section called Personal Details. You can click it. Here, now you'll click on Account Ownership and Control. As you can see here, the second option is for you to deactivate or delete your account. You click on this option and it will show the profiles you have on Facebook. In this case, there's one profile on this account. So you'll click on the profile you want to delete. I'm going to click it and they'll give you two options. Since you want to delete your Facebook account, you click on this second option and then click Continue. They'll ask you here the reason why you want to leave Facebook. You can choose any option. I'm going to click on the first option here. I'll click Continue again. Here you click on Continue again and you'll come to this page, which is the page for deleting your account, where they'll give you some options to download your information. Since you want to delete it, click Continue. They'll ask you to enter your password, so you enter it. I'm going to type mine in. Did you type it in? You can click on Continue and you'll come to this page, everyone. On this page here, if you really want to delete your account, you're going to click here on Delete Your Account, okay? Just a reminder, by clicking this option here, since you've already entered your password, you'll have 30 days. If you access your account again during those 30 days, you can recover it. If more than 30 days pass, your Facebook account deletion will be permanent. I'm not going to click here because I don't want to delete it, but that's the step-by-step process. I hope I was able to help. If I helped you, don't forget, help me out too. Subscribe to the channel.